Hello everyone, welcome back again. I'm gonna show you guys the front. I don't know how I'm going to fix it, but I'm going to start working on it. If you guys remember how beautiful this side was, it was really nice with some green beautiful flowers. But now I'm going to pull out everything and start over. But so far this is what I have left, and yeah, I just want to showing you guys the before, and when I'm done, I'm gonna showing you guys the after when I'm done working with everything. Ugh, it is so bad. Anyways, yeah, this is this front now. Again, take time to look. Oh, the parts look so bad. This is this side now, and when I'm done, I'm going to show you guys the result. Wish me luck, guys. Please remember to subscribe and like. Have a blessed day.